Saint Lake Cathedral or something, another state park. And we're changing plans a little bit again. The Adirondacks got hit with snow, and it's just really cold up there the next couple of days. So I'm at the end of segment 3 of the Eastern Divide route. What I'm going to do today is go back up to Paltry or whatever, Vermont, ride over towards Glen Falls, and then I'm going to take the Lake Champlain Valley Trail down to Albany, and then take the Erie Trail to where the Eastern Divide Trail takes a left a little ways past Rochester, New York. And then I'll hop back on to it there and continue south. So yeah, don't know where we're going to get to today, but we'll get somewhere.
I hope we don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close, so we have to give it one more try before the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one knows anymore. What's it for? What's it for? There's so much more than we've been told.
In New York. Yeah, 15.5 to Lake Champlain Trail. Man, it is windy, and it's a like 20 mile an hour, 15 headwind. Ugh. Alrighty, so we made it to the Empire State Trail right here, and we're going all the way down. But we're going to take this to Troy, New York, and then we'll hop on the Erie Trail. Been really wanting to do the Erie for a long while, and with the weather and everything in the Adirondacks, and I can easily go back and do that next year. When I start my really big tour, we can go through there and do that. But yeah, I made it to Fort Anne, New York, and we're getting ready. First, I'm going to look on Google and see if there's anywhere close by to get some actual real food, because I've Only thing I've been eating today is just all my snacks and stuff, and it's just not cutting it with all these hills. But and that wind, holy cow, it's got my nose running like crazy. It's been a very, very, very windy day. Oh my goodness. This is a welcome change after the last 300 miles or so. 400, I don't know how far I've gone. But, oh man, this is great. It's gonna be a nice break for a couple days, because we've taken this to Troy and then to Rochester. I might go on to Buffalo and backtrack. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I've always been, ever since I started bike touring, I've been wanting to do this trail right here and the Erie Trail. So that's what we're doing. Yeah, about 4.3 to where I'm planning to camp tonight. What's up, everybody? So, made it to camp. Well, technically I made it here and then I left and then came back and went to town because it's only a mile away, and got subway and then came back here. Oh, but yeah, I'm camped here at Lock 5 on the Empire State Trail. Yeah, I left Pawnee or whatever, Vermont this morning. Camped at St. Chaplain or Chaplain, or I don't remember, some state park, but that place was awesome. Like, they didn't charge me or anything. anything at that state park. They just told me, just come on in, set up, and yeah, that was awesome. And I got a free place to stay tonight, so definitely thankful too, because after all this stuff I had to do before I started this, my money is very short, and I'm just trying to do this as cheap as I possibly can, because my goal is not really this trip. It's about what I'm doing this trip for the AT communities and businesses and stuff. And I've already raised over 16, last time I checked it was like $1,600 between Facebook and Instagram. So when I can make such a big difference in these communities' lives, if I can, no matter how much we end up raising on this trip, it's still going to be going to good use when people really need it. And that's the main reason I'm doing this trip, because if not, I would just take a train back home. But it's been an absolutely amazing trip so far, and I'm just thankful. So far I haven't had to pay for camping any night yet, which is pretty cool.